come back for a second year and to see how it's grown, how the fair is encouraging more and more people to come. It's great to see the school kids here today, and the support from the government, of course, is absolutely vital.
The linkages between bird fairs across the globe would create awareness about ecotourism. I mean, state support has been tremendous, right from the Chief Minister to the Forest Department to district administration, police. Everybody has worked as a team for hosting this event.
The first thing that we did was talked about a threatened species project, and the festival is now recognised by BirdLife International through our BirdLife Preventing Extinctions programme as a species champion for the Indian skimmer.
This festival is very, very different from other festivals I've been to. It brings tourism as a business, it brings ornithology as a research, and it brings ecotourism as a solution to problems affecting conservation.
Events like the Bird Fair here are incredibly important for reaching not only kids, but for people in general, people who want to open their eyes and hearts to the natural world.
People from all over the world are coming here, so there's a melting pot of ideas. The local conservationists, the environmentalists are meeting with their foreign counterparts, and there's this vibrant exchange of ideas. People are being inspired, and most importantly, the delegates are saying how rich and varied India is. You can read about it, but there's really no substitute to visiting a country and seeing it for yourself.